Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today filed his nomination from Varanasi constituency. Election Commission today said that the voter turnout in the fourth phase of Lok Sabha election, which was held yesterday, has been recorded at 67.71%. Today is the last date for filing nomination for 7th and last phase of Lok Sabha polls. Elections will be held in the 57 Lok Sabha seats in 7 states and 1 union territory in this phase. India and Iran today signed the long-term contract for the operation of the Shahid Beheshti port in Chabahar. The 77th Cannes Film Festival will begin today at Cannes in France. India will host a Bharat Parv at Cannes Film Festival for the first time.